at first check your machine is capable for Windows 11 or not. So for that, go to this website and download the PC Health Check app. So after download, do install the software and open it. So if you click on check now, then you will see some message. So it is saying that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. That means my device is not capable for Windows 11. So if your device is capable, then you will see such message. But guys, you can install Windows 11 if your device is showing such message, though you can install Windows 11. So for that, follow the every step and you can smoothly run Windows 11 on your old device also. So for that, you need to download the ISO file, the ISO image of Windows 11. So go to this website, link was given down description below. Just click on that and download from there. So after that, you need to download WinRAR also, to download the WinRAR file also. Here I download the two file. One is Windows 11 and another is TPM file also. So this TPM file link was given down description below. Without this file you cannot install Windows 11. So this is the most important file you need to download. So go and just download from there. And another is WinRAR. So I already download the WinRAR also, because you need to extract the file. So that's why you need to download the WinRAR also. So just click on Windows 11 ISO file. Just right click on it and extract here. And just right click on TPM file and to extract this file also. And before extracting the TPM file, you need to disable your antivirus and your internet also. And then to extract that file. Okay, after that you will see that .dll file. Just right click and cut the file and go to the source folder and paste on it. Replace the file. So our all work is just done. Just click on setup and run the setup. And click on next. If you click on check what to keep option, then you will see the three options. Here you can see keep personal file and apps, and another is keep personal file only, and another is nothing. If you click on keep personal file only, then your setting and app will be deleted, but your file will be kept. That means your install application or install software will be deleted, but your file will be saved. So I keep on keep personal file. If you click on nothing, then everything will be deleted. Okay, so and just click on keep personal file. Now you can see blue screen. That means Windows 11 is installing on your device. So during this process, your PC will automatically restart several times, so you need to wait. So just click on next, and you can disable your privacy setting also. So yes, finally this is our Windows 11. So how it is look like? So I think it is better than Windows 10. The theme was pretty much good, and the file folder icon was also the good. This is my previous file. It still saved my previous file, and yes, it is running smoothly till now. There is no any issue. So yes guys, before you use, just do update your system and use it. Okay guys, this much for today. We will meet in next episode. Till then, stay safe.